Hello everyone. We know that managing invoices manually, it's time-consuming, tedious, and prone to errors. But what if invoicing was effortless? Introducing SWB Auto PDF Invoices, a powerful solution for Shopify merchants, designed to simplify invoice management with full automation. No more waiting. No more manual work. SWB Auto PDF Invoices automatically generates and sends invoices the moment an order is placed, ensuring instant and seamless transactions. Your customers receive professional, fully compliant invoices effortlessly, improving trust and efficiency in post-order processing. Personalization matters. That's why we offer a variety of professional invoice templates. Customize every detail, add your logo, brand colors, and tailor invoices to reflect your unique identity. Your brand, your style, all seamlessly integrated into every invoice. Stay in control of how you communicate with customers. Customize email templates, craft personalized messages, and ensure invoices are professionally delivered with the right tone and branding. Want full control? Enable or disable automatic notifications, or send copies to internal teams for streamlined workflow. Flexibility is key. SWB Auto PDF Invoices lets you generate invoices instantly, print or download anytime, resend invoices with just one click. Your invoicing process, your way, effortless, reliable, and fully customizable. Reduce manual tasks. Streamline post-order processes. Elevate your business efficiency with SWB Auto PDF Invoices. Try it now and experience the future of automated invoicing. Thank you for watching. Comment below your questions or queries, and our team will surely reach out to you.